Did you know you can customize your vehicle's personal settings just the way you want? You can set up your vehicle your way. Let's give you some examples. You can lock your vehicle from outside with just the push of the lock button on your key fob. The turn signals will flash, and the horn will sound to let you know the vehicle is locked. Nice, eh? Unless it's nighttime and you'd just as soon not wake the kids or the neighbors. Well, you can change those settings using your touchscreen. Here's how. In your settings menu, select Doors and Locks, then select the feature you'd like to customize. In this case, Sound Horn with Lock. There will be a check mark next to the feature if it is active. Press the feature bar to turn the check mark off and deactivate the feature. It's as easy as that. The horn is off and the kids and neighbors stay asleep. Okay, now that you've got the procedure down, you can customize many other features as well. You can choose to unlock driver door only on first press or unlock all doors on first press. You can select lights and then headlight off delay and choose between a 0, 30, 60, or 90-second delay before the headlights turn off after the engine has been turned off. It's a great feature that can light your way to the door at night, even if the door is a ways away. So set up your vehicle your way. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.